What if I told you, even in the most competitive niches on Etsy, new sellers are still making sales with simple clip art? And in today's video, I'll walk you through how to easily find best-selling digital products and how to create it quickly using AI. Most people think Etsy is way too crowded to make money with digital products, but oversaturation doesn't mean there's no opportunity. The good news is clip art is one of the easiest products to start with. So in order to find a clip art that has the potential to sell fast, I found two methods. The first method is using a platform called Sales Samurai and searching for the keyword you're targeting. For example, since Halloween season is around the corner, I searched for Halloween clip art. After the search, I focused on the section labeled Etsy most trending keywords. Here I could see the sub niches with the high search volume and lower competition. The second method is going directly to Etsy and searching for your keyword. In the search filter, I selected Star Seller. These normally show all the Star Seller products, but what we actually want are the best seller products. Since Etsy doesn't provide that as a filter option, here's a trick. Go to the URL of the page and simply replace the word star with best. As a result, Etsy will display bestseller designs, and from there I could easily go through them and choose one as inspiration to create my own. That's how I came across this bestseller Halloween clip art design, which features a cute ghost reading in the study room. This digital product has made multiple sales in the last 24 hours, showing strong demand for this style of clip art. So in order to create an impressive clip art like this using AI, I found a platform that allowed me to take a screenshot of any top performing design, then write a simple prompt, and the AI used the image as reference to create a related design in the same style. This is called PrintKK AI. With this AI, you can transform a single idea into a full design empire. Simply upload an image and the AI tool instantly generates dozens of unique copyright-safe variations. Ideal for rapidly scaling your print-on-demand catalog. Need to extract pattern from fabric, wallpapers, or any surface? This AI pattern extraction is 99% accurate. If you want clean, transparent PNGs, their AI background removal handle it in seconds. So whether you're building a seasonal collection or automating your creative workflow, this AI make high-volume design productive, fast, flexible, and effortless. I've included a link in the description so you can register and follow along later in the video. Now, to use this AI to craft a design similar to the top performing design, we first need to create an account, then click on Start Free AI Trials. Seeing this is an image-to-image power AI, we'll need a reference image for our design. So I went over to Etsy, took a screenshot of one of the top performing designs, then uploaded it to the AI platform by clicking on the plus sign. The next step is selecting the AI model we want to use. The first model allows you to create multiple variations from the reference design you uploaded. The second model lets you write your own prompt and also control the reference similarity level. The third model gives you the option to extract design from a real photo. So for this illustration, we'll be focusing on the second model. This option also allows me to describe my image in a prompt, and here's the exact prompt I use. On a white background, imagine a ghost peeking out of a haunted house window in a watercolor art style. After that, I reduced the reference similarity so it wouldn't copy the original design. Then I set the aspect ratio to 1:1, saying this is a clip art design. After generation, this was the result. And you can see it did a good job by maintaining the same concept and style without duplicating the original. And I also tried another image. This one came with text, so I used the first model, selected artistical, and again reduced the similarity level to avoid copying the original. Then I chose the aspect ratio, and here is what I got. So with a tool like this, creating top-selling design becomes simple and stress-free. And if you're interested in creating even more Halloween clip art design, I've prepared a free list of prompts you can use to generate stunning results. Just comment "I want this prompt" and I'll send you the link. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Finally, I hope this video has inspired you to explore an AI tool that can make your design process faster, smarter, and simpler. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.